Introducing the 2009 Mazda CX-7. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.